The Tring Festival, the traditional new year of the indigenous Tiprasa people, was celebrated with grandeur at Baijalbari Sengkari Kami in Khowai. The event was a vibrant display of culture and tradition, featuring a special headline performance by Saregama Lil Sam's winner, Jetshen Dohna Lama. Overwhelmed by the warmth and the love of the massive crowd, Jetshen performed for 2 consecutive nights on December 20th and 21st.
Chini Amtani, Jotto Dignitaries Sarte Madam Chom, Sarton Black Hambai, the Palki Yapakoti, please. Sarton Blagay.
The Baijalbari Sengkari Kami ground in Khowai transformed into a hub of cultural resurgence this weekend as thousands gathered to celebrate Tring, the traditional new year of the indigenous Tiprasa community. The celebration, marked by the echoes of traditional instruments and vibrant attire, served as a powerful reminder of the heritage and identity of the soil. The highlight of the festival was presence of sensational singing talent Jetshen Dohna Lama, winner of Saregama Lil Champs. Originally scheduled for a single appearance, Jetshen was so moved by the overwhelming affection of the Tiprasa people that she performed for the 2 consecutive nights on December 20th and 21st.
Volunteers today. Volunteers. Volunteers. Cut. मेरे को पकड़ के रखे
Her powerhouse vocals kept the thousands of spectators mesmerized, bridging the gap between modern entertainment and traditional festivities. Performers across the Northeast, including Assam, Meghalaya and Sikkim, joined local artists to create a diverse musical tapestry, making it one of the most successful Tring celebrations in the recent history. The event was graced by Tripura's leadership. The Dignitaries officially felicitated Jetshen Dohna Lama for her contribution to music for joining the New Year celebration. Key attendees including Maharani Kriti Singh Devi de Burma, Member of the Parliament, MLA Ranjit de Burma, EM Suhel de Burma, including many other department high officials.
Are you enjoying today? I think next year we should have a bigger theme. And I'm going to hand over to this sweet little girl who's kept your hearts beating. She's going to sing one song for all of us, her favorite song. And I told her, when she sings, I want you all to dance. आप सब नाचेंगे, आप सब गाएंगे. I love that spirit. Keep it on. Thank you, my child. Get the floor moving.
In an exclusive interaction with Chini Khorang, MLA Ranjit Debarma expressed his immense satisfaction with the turnout. He revealed ambitious plans for the future, stating, looking at the energy and the massive participation this year, we are planning to organize a grandeur 3-day Tring Festival in the coming year to further showcase our culture to the world.
Hai jotonai tongnai takok tai bukok sono lamsogo tini engka 21st December 21st December hangangke jotono saimano tini engka bishiketal haike baseng tongthok tiring no palailayo abo engka tabu siri tini simino seng palai family abo haike no tini tawesha haipirka 21st December bishik burum burum no haike khatung tongthongni bisingtei seng sini Tiprasa rongni bishiketal haike ba tongthok tiring hnai seng palayo abo haike no chung tini faisok paijak tini to tongthok tiring no palainani je bishikesamno rohoroi bishiketal no yasagnani bagai abo haike seng tini boro faisok paijak ngangke no rok hoyto chini uklumni background nugui saime panang sacheon obongkha tini jeng faisok paijak khowai ni je Baijalbari haikorono je lams mane je Tring committee no luai jikha bongkha ramchandraga Tring committee borok luai jikha bongni luai ji jamabai tini ni on naithatok Tring panda haike tongthok Tring je bishikesamno jeng naithatok khlailai rui bisiketano lamsokmani sal jeng tekisa abo horong gangai jotono momsok lai jotono jati baji bai khlai khatung tongthongni bisingtike jeng lele jotono palbak sakai lamsogo abo haike no jeng tini je oroni je luai ji jagmani ba tini oro je Tring khlai jagi tongmani je luai ji nai ba tini oro je khlai tongmani tini oroni ramchandragat constituency ni MLA Saronjit Debroma bai jeng tini kok salai ne bongni o Tring luai jagmana tei Sano pulian lamsogo Chini Khorang ni mangpliwo
Chini Khorang nai tongnai joto takhok bukhok sono na khakaham Tring na bisikatalni
gangke puila sengna musungmani kabono je Tring to seng bisik burum burum no palai phayo ga thangnai bisirogo bo palai jago ke taklai bisio bo haikeno ga thangnai bisini slai taklai bisio tamono wansogoi o Tring no te bo kotorkha palai jagnai henai wansogoi har
o Tring bisikatal no chung palai mane ungkha chini laibuma no chung mothangai narangnani agi chini lokorok asuk saimeya kai tabo khai chungni borok bo lekha rok ta rengkha chung educated nungkha laibuma no cheri saimankha kai chini bisikatal no chungno judi palaya kai hodom dodom khai sabole palai na ba kai jar jar bosongni borok kobangma bingko bosongni borok bongni bisikatal na borok hodom dodom khai palayo kai chung chini bisikatal Tring no bo chung hodom dodom khai palainan bagai chung sa ta kami am sayo nini kobangma program go haipano o Tring bisikatal no kai chung juda kha kya palaina mo chung tamba chini bisikatal ble kamo chini laibuma ka abuni bagai no chung taklai Ramchandra chemani chetiap kotor khaye chemachini bleke khayo kha tam hingka kai sing jagairi malaria kai ti taklai bo borok sing kobangma phainai oro prai lakh 1.5 lakh borok phainai hine sing kha khayo ebong phatar hastin ursamna tongo chin buba gara tabuno phai tong phaika bo tai srap sakar chin matho phaisok painai ebong bono chati mu sangai tini ni pandana changri phainai ta
san thani te kaisa sengna musungmani ka bhai je agini slide to nungsau je tabu seng update ngi phairaka mane lekha srungi phaika ba chini o bisikatal no palainani bagai agin je te bo kaham ke chai to goi tong bo haike bo level mane seng busike chai to goi tong agini sai tabu bo bhai fermung
agi to chung Tring ro no palai jagya agi o angka kai nini ponjikara go sijak tongo angkai nini nong ni phaklai rogo जों Tring no seinarago kintu omte haika asuk hodom don kha ge palai jagya ta ka tabo khai जों sudo hodom don ke palaya o bisikatal no regai no nukhung rogo जों wahan rogo paisa layo ga kai awang rogo ke paisa layo ka omte khai no जों taklai tebo kotor khayei जों omte khai palai lai tong lai ta ka kai tabo ka chin borok site teb sika kai omono regai tabo calendar bo nokhor ka cái lẽ khả năng này bộ xin boro rok sering ka xin kok bay cái aboni bagai seng tabuk lai bumano seng growth tori woi o program no bo mano bisi katal no lamjang mo seng tep kotor khaina nita cái mo tabuk sara Tripura no seng batai lema haijung so bisi katal ni samne am sayo bisi nai thokai palai leman sabo samung kereng no tubuiman mo kaisa batai lema haijung tong khata cái Ramchandra ka Tring celebration committee bo omti khaino je kotor khaiye chi ram sayo nai thok khaina no bagai seng sai tok laika ebong lukorong ni suba seng kotor no khai tonglai mane nukhata
sano chungna ni kabu puliam tongman hepan angka saron sung sewano tabuk to chung je 1436 no sung lam sogui tongu angka je 1435 no to sung ko rohanai mane jodono dole pale khlai taise boro bidairi rohanai angka je tamni bagi chung je 1436 ngi chino khai mane calendar tamni bagi kisa fer ka abo kisa sai khanar
abo chini lekhatino kisa gondogol tongo hega kai chung kok movement for kok borok bai sing salaika aro meeting ang bai dui barung laika hekai salai mane ya golo ka o lekhalaitin kisa gondogol tongo chini thani 17 ta calendar agini ksam chung aborong no rugui lekhoi nei phaika hekai bo jaga chini truting kha hekai tabu aro sanan thingla o Tring pai mane ya golo movement for kok borok kaise seminar khainai aro no details jara sai manai rok laibumano share nai rok bor aro salainai ebong aro dolil potor nai lenai eka apro no thigung lainai hi sanglaita ke tamni ke sing lekhai ne lemane chinoro bo jara laibuma share nai rok no bai tui kok salame ke taklai 1436 Tring klaita abone bagna sing 1436 khai palai tongta ta
o Tring no khlai nani bagai bobo haige boyang ni bisi bobo khelua ji jakha tai chuba chorok bobo haige khlai jaka
oro kebang ma government line department of subaka nini current department wasna current jorate khai difeka tuirok bo borok subaka eka blog ne hoita ba leptin rokya tange rika eka oro maximum chini lokorong no subaka angni je bo subaka kamte ke suba laino sing bisipur murum no singomte khai kotor khai panda khalai tonglaita eka kai kolog lai kun bisirog unglayo haipano sing taisa salai mane bising tei singa borong no makeup rok khailayo ikomte khai no kota ka taklai khai tamgui singa se kotor khai खाने वांसु कांका काय छेमा तो जों खरकसा से बायरे नि सामने क्रिंटु माने काय ताकलाय काय जों इनको गोबां मतुफा जेमन आसामनि नेकिब बाय बबिता शर्मा बंगनि 10 जनानि ग्रुप हेका तुरा डांस ग्रुप न बतुफा हांका काय नि दिमा हाउसानि ब देवरिस नांगतेन तुफा हेका सिक्किम नि काय जेटशेन दोना लामा बरनो बतुइ फायकाता हेका चिनि हास्तेनि ब गोबां मोर सामने क्रिंटु बरक फायनायता
Sano sengna musuh mereka kaya hai je daklai to kotor ma khlai je to Tring khlai ga ba thanai bisini budget rok ni slai taklai bisini budget tai oro je as phalnok seng kabang manu kha yang nahari nuhur mai owa hai khlai na ni bagai mane bom hai ke nong ni chai tong mong ba bom hai budget rok ni ngong
छेमा तो 70 ta se bank phalnok khai mane taklai 175 ta riman pore bokolo ya tabu thajing sargo report ma mane abo 200 phalnok lai thangka tabuk sanja jora poindo se phalnok sangni tongfaine rok tongkho ega kai aboni bagai nongka kai chemani chai taklai sin budget botai bari dika ega kai chingkha khlayo taklai konai kai sobse enga kai chingoro dara phaimai aro bor nogo tongoi asugoi naithun aboni bagai no chingoro live telecast kharika chini khorang dongor sarang chate ka mukrang tv tei ching live telecast khaidane ko khaidika eka jate chini lukurok enjoy khaitun naithun chini te Ramchandra gar Tring Festival no naithun ka aboni bagai no ching je saitogoi tongo je live telecast ni bising ti ka lukurok bo naithong thun neita
tini no Tring gabang ma thayo Tring palai jak tongo ba jang ba chini Tiprasa ni nei bisikatal celebrate khaima ba ta muni kha kaisa je gabang ma borok roni bisingo pano mane o jaga o ground asa ksang ma jorawo bisikatal palai nyen bage bo haike singoro borok nugui mano
orang kasih oro attraction man kasih resap naik kering dong no kebang tup kataklai ekai cini boror sikla bisnis kore siklong nayo ekai kai kebang ma nini tam hinane or samna kering no naina ba musungo ekai janjani favorite singer botongo kai boror no tuwi kai cini sikli ro gongkongo ekai bura buristi ro kai cini mukumu rong na bote kai palai jak abor boror naina bagai faita ekai abone bagai na khatung khaja kai bisnis ke Ramchandra gatono kebang borok phayo sema jemen phaima hai taklai bo phayo tiko mathok muta muti teruk kai hablai tonglai kha borok jengkha khlayo taklai bo Chairman is a table Kabang, Ebon Takla and table crack Hakasine security rongno, and Gakai Chama was Mato Tangmaliano, a parking Nibo Chama on Examelanka, Takle parkings and Kokam Kaka, you got highway gun and the baggage and Lama will kill their Kaitano, you got police board, traffic, security board, Kam Kajaka, a Kabani Bagana, Lokoro, Kulu Gundu Guliate. Ramchandra Tring Palai Toman Bagay Rukurok or Nirapotani Bagibo, Borok or 9 and 5 later.
Goro, take us some of the Dawudam, Reginald to Jotono, Rani Shimiro, Okra Sakara, and guys in modern song by Hukumo, the Sabna Bagini, the Samuza College, Omahairo, Tisha, the Sabna Bagay, extra Alada, Jebuzini Sakara, Sakara song by Kuno, Luaji Zagro Toxa.
Na borong ni bo modern gan botong na kai agi ni no ko no tui bo borong ni mo bibino mo samung do phunung nai kai chini do phane custom su bo ro phunuk jang nai e ka omtei khai no chang omno botang khai salam kata o khumno su boi jaman kasak khrang botang salama hai chini resamung botang bo pandani botang bo omtei khai no chang salam lai kata
Kita kisah Chairman ka jeng je halsa ni sekang no je oro Ramchandra ga to je Tring khlaijak tongmani abo mane food festival ong bising tei dal bidal pandani bising tei je lamsok jaka ga tam ni bagi mane halsa ni sekang no hage lamjak songnai ba je hastin lokorong no phonok nai ni kunung kaisa kahamwan sungmung bai ja abo tisa jaka
omong kha kai lokorong ni dabi halsa kai thokprai prayung jak bayo eka abon bagai sal nei khai kata eka kai kha khlayo agami kata halsa phana bari manu saltam phana khaina ta ka lokorong ni tongthong na ni bor ka musungo Eka kai abuni bagi no cheng o pandano pholok tongta eka kha khlayo cheng agami bosoro saltam khai judi lukorok khai sakang kai cheng saltam khainen bo wansoklai tonglai kata taklai simi
Oro tini sabo chief guest rok nge manjak phaine ba mane thajino saka je buba gra phai chati masangai chengjak na hine bono kari bo te kubuni narwai rok manjak na jato
oro gobang ma chini MLA rok go phaina to chini minister forest minister rok phainan kok tongo ekai chini state minister bisukatu daborno phainan kok tongo ekam tekhana gobang ma DM SDM BDO rok no bo phainan kok tongo ka borok Kasih kusur orang ni kaya problem tong nok rogo osusto rogo ngoi bora hospital logo puno ano sahoka kaya orang sini block chairman borok bo phai bina kam te keno seng salam kata orang borom ganang rogo manui seng salam ni tong kata.
Kaya tadi mana borok tu jodoh nasi lagi je live bocoli tongo phai bo nai phai tongo khatung jak bo tongo je Ramchandra ka thanai biswa bo kotor ma khlai Tring khai ka taklai bo Tring kotoron kha kaya mana lokorong je expectation tong mani abo mana busuk jora tu full feeling no hani sanni khaktai bo hai kha
Seng payment ni pore, Tring payment pore seng review kayo, taklai boro roktam saka, local boro roktam saka, ekai chini lukurong ni je diman unusarin seng chini teni bos honi program no seng selamui nawo, chairman no seng review kai no taklai program teke selamka, hoito taklai boro lukurong kamu nai, abo no seng review kai namen pore, agami bos tebo nai thotok. Tebo attraction singarok tu bida mano seng saitok lai neta.
Okay, tai je tabuk to panda handaba program hangke kisah misah somo jora rogo sikla sikli rogo u tabuk ni jora hamia kisah habar rogo kelagi tong mani ke neng borong no tai program no bising tai bibu bisik ketalba tamu sana mo jeng Chini hastini Tiprasa sikla sikli rong ni bagai.
Ang sikla sikli rong na sana nur amti program mo faidi seng drugs no maya kanai swag no maya kanai tamu kai Ramchandra gat Tring Festival seng swag rok phalna ni bagai seng mana khalaijak oro kono jandi muna rok ma thingya eka obo chini naisomani bisingo tongo eka kaisa koise khogoi nung phainai ba phalnai abo bo chini mokolo mia kerengni dogano manjaka tini bono sotorko khaijaka judi yakai borok no police no sajaka red khaijangnai je dogano swag phalo red khaijangnai enkai borok no dogan mo muthubui rijangnai amte seng kora tini warning dika kha khlayo oro kebo phaigalak amte hine seng wansuk tong hata
tabuk last hanggang kai tese jotono no je Tring bisi ketal no tei joto hastini lukorong no kaichal tamu hone kobong ba tamu hone lamsung ba kaham je wish abo tam sanamu
Tring bisi ketal joton bagai hamari tui phaito jotono kaham kereng tongthon omono diai nai kaithon ni tani norok jotono kaham kereng tongdi nogo phana tongdi Ramchandra gato phaidi Tring bisi ketal no noro enjoy khaidi ebong norok Tring bisi ketal no lamsangmani bising tei buskang ni salo chini hamari no diai di omosek sawi no tini ni ko ang blake tong thokata
Dongke saran bela bela ke hambai. Ke norok nai tong nai joto tahok tai bukhok songno hai no hai sa koisok pero je tini oro je Ramchandra Gatni tiring bishiketal je palai nai khatung tong thok ni bishingte abo hai ke norok khanai man khana je constitution ni MLA sar boni khokte je boro bobo hai luaji mumbai bobo hai shakthar mumbai.
The speakers at the event emphasized that the Tring Festival 1435 Tripura era is not merely a change of date but a symbol of the Tiprasa identity. It represents the resilience of their language, the beauty of their tradition, and the preservation of a heritage that dates back centuries. The festival concluded in the early hours of Monday, leaving the community inspired and united under the banner of their shared history. Reporter Baijalbari Sengkari Kami from Khowai, Chini, Khorang.